Hello everybody and welcome to episode 8 in our CSGO Multicheat series. Today we're going to be making a third person cheat. So first thing we're going to do is go into Battle. I'm going to create a new file. I'm going to save it and I'm going to call it thirdperson.py. Alright, so once we have this, we are going to import PyMem. We're going to import PyMem.process. We're going to import keyboard, and then we're going to import time. And then after we've done this, I'm going to use my offset dumper to dump some offsets. So if you don't have it already, download it from the description. And once I have my offsets dumped, I'm just going to drag it over the csgo.py file. And there's two offsets we need. We need m_i observer mode. Alright, so just copy this. And then paste this over here. And then we also need DW local player. And once we have both of these offsets, all we have to do is go and type in while true. And then we're going to do pm equals pymem.pymem, and then csgo.exe. And then we're going to do client. This is going to be equal to pymem.process.module_ from_ name, and then we're going to do pm.process_handle, and then we're going to be doing client.dll, and we're going to do .lpbase of DLL. And one thing is, a few people have had this error and will come to me. Make sure that you spell lpbase of DLL right. This is an L, not an I. It's a common mistake. It happens. But anyway. So actually, I did this wrong. So put the PM above the while true. Sorry about that. Okay. So while true, and then we're gonna make a variable called local player. All right. And then actually, I'm gonna do all lowercase, so it's different than the other one. All right. And then we're gonna set this equal to pm.read_integer, and then we're gonna do client plus w local player. And then we're going to do if keyboard.is_pressed, and then I'm just going to keybind my third person to BZ, and then I'm going to do pm.write_int, and then we're going to be writing to local player plus m_i observer mode, and then we're just going to be writing the value of 1. So basically what 1 does is 1 is the value of third person, and then 0 is the value of just normal first person. And then after that, we can create an integer called switch, and then I'm just going to set this equal to 0. And this is so we can have a switch, so when it's a toggle, so whenever you press Z, it'll change from third person to first person, and so on. So anyway, so we're going to set this to switch, so that's to 1. And then we're going to do time.sleep 0.05, or just 0.5. And this is so that whenever you press Z, it's not just switching like every second or so. Anyway. And then also we just have to do and switch equals 0. Alright, and once we have this, we can just copy this, and then change it to be elif, and then change the value here to 1, and change this value to 0, and then also change this value to 0. Alright, so there we go. We have our toggle done. And now if we just go into the game, we can open up our command prompt. I'm going to do cd desktop, and then we're going to do python thirdperson.py. And then when we press Z, it switches to third person. And when we press Z again, it switches back. And there we go. So now we have a toggle to third person.